Hello guys, a very good evening to one and all present here. This is Amrit Kaur welcoming all of you to the platform Regulatory Bodies SO ADA 24/7. I hope you all are staying safe, doing well and doing maximum practice, solving questions, and I'm quite sure that you are quite excited for the session which says the myths of NABARD. So if we talk about myths of NABARD job, there are specific myths. Every student coming up to me, messaging me, asking me, ma'am, I have related to a profile, related to the job, related to the salary. So today in this session, we will be covering all these things together, and I hope that the session will be very useful for all of you. So when we talk about grade A NABARD 2022, we all know that National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD stands for this particular thing. So please be aware that it is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Now when we talk about the exam pattern here, you all know when it comes to English syllabus. So guys, when it comes to English over here, what you can see, that is when we talk about sections, English comprises of 30 questions here. 30 questions, 30 marks over here. Computer knowledge, your test of reasoning with 20 questions, computer knowledge with 20, quant with 20, your decision making with 10, general awareness with 20, and your economic and social issues plus your agriculture and rural development issues. This is emphasizing more. So you should have good knowledge, concrete knowledge and concise knowledge when we talk about economic and social issues focusing on the rural India. When we talk about agriculture and rural issues focusing on the emphasizing on your rural India, again 40 questions. So first of all, please clear the concept that no ma'am, my English is weak or my maths is weak, how will I clear the examination? Please, this is the pattern, exact pattern which you have to follow, right? Moving forward from this particular thing, first of all, when we talk about NABARD here, what is the vision? The vision here is that a development bank of the nation for fostering the rural prosperity. This is the vision. This should be very clear at the back of our mind. Then comes is the mission. Now what is the mission when we talk about of NABARD? So my dear, this promotes sustainable and equitable agriculture and rural development. So through the participative financial and non-financial interventions, your innovations, your technology and your institutional development, all these things are there for securing the prosperity. So now vision and mission is very clear to all of us. There are few segments which really still have doubt when it comes to NABARD grade A versus NABARD grade B, the overview, when it comes to the exam overview. So when we talk about the exam overview here, please be aware when it comes to the job profile like duties and the salary and the next promotion. So whatever myths are based on these three segments, I will be clearing out those myths over here right now. My dear, when I say NABARD grade A, which is the assistant manager here, and NABARD grade B, which is the manager here. So this is the job profile when we talk about. So here they work closely with the government programs and policies for the ARD, that is Agriculture and Rural Development here. And herein they'll be maintaining the relationship with the customers, right? Herein they'll be keeping track of the accounting procedures and then they will be approving loans also. They will be the other managerial duties also will be there and they'll be facilitating on the interdepartmental working as well. So this is how the role of assistant manager and manager in NABARD grade A and NABARD grade B varies, and this is how they are distinguished. Moving forward, my dear, when we talk about the salary. So here in the basic salary here is 28,150 in the scale of what, my dear? Just have a look, बच्चे scale को ध्यान से देखिए. Scale of 28,150, 1550, 34,350 and 17,750. So herein this is talking about the basic salary in detail and the scale pay of what? Again, so herein the approximate of 62 something per month will be the amount. I will just write it here again. So herein this would be 62,600 per month. Right, so this is what I have highlighted. Herein the approximate is 73,600 per month, wherein here the basic pay varies from this 28,150 to 35,150. 35,150 is the basic pay. Then the pay scale is of 35,150 to 17,750. Then 50,900. This is the EB here, and for 17,750. Then for 64, 416 years. So approximately 73,600, and herein this is 62,600. So herein the next promotion is manager grade B, and here is the next promotion is assistant general manager. I hope this is clear to all of you till here. Moving forward, my dear. Now, when we discuss about the syllabus, which I think we have discussed many a times, this is in respect to English. Please, one more thing, be very aware of the syllabus. The understanding is very important, and I think we have discussed this part. So, let's not figure out and pick up this topic again. Moving forward, again, phase 1, phase 2 both comprising of what, if in case you had any sort of, doubts in details. Now, this is how the post, if we talk about the post, if we talk about the position, this is how the post and the position here matters. If I talk about, this is the top head here, executive director. Then under executive director, I have three things here. We have three things: head of office departments, regional offices, and training establishments. Then after that, my dear, regional offices have sub office. So if I talk to you about, this is as 1, 2 and 3. So this number 2 has part A as sub office special cell, which is Srinagar, and part B as the district development offices. This is again very clear. Again, one more myth is clear here. Now students asking me, ma'am, what is the job profile? Is it good or not good? So my dear, people saying that this is not good is a big myth again. Of course, the job profile is very nice over here. Now, moving forward, I will discuss with you the salary, the pay scale, right, which we had just covered a slide back. I will be giving you a more descriptive view of the NABARD grade A salary and the pay scale. So, when we talk about the salary and pay scale, the candidates upon joining receive a salary as per the pay scale of this here, right? And the basic pay, this is what we had just discussed in the previous slide also. I had just shared, wherein I was trying to share with grade A and grade B. So here the basic pay of the candidate is rupees 28,150, while in hand salary is around 62,000 rupees, this much per month. So in hand salary and the basic pay, this is both is very clearly mentioned if we talk about NABARD grade A salary and pay scale. I hope this is clear to everyone. Moving forward, my dear, this is a proper pay slip of a particular person here to describe you in a well descripted manner, saying the grade A of the assistant manager. So my dear, herein it is clearly written yearly medical 13K, the briefcase is 7K, books for 7K, again a total of around assistant manager grade A, which we discussed there. Herein the allowances, the petrol, the maid, internet, telephone, mobile, newspaper, all the charges are included here, and a total of around 72,000 to 75,000 per month. So this is very clearly mentioned over here. I repeat, right? So a total of around 72,000 to 75,000 per month. Again, this gives you a very, very clear picture if we talk about grade A assistant manager. Clear? Moving forward is again, I think, so whatever myths we had discussed till here related to the salary, related to the job, now few students have, ma'am, they have a myth, it's a bank. So please guys, then again they have a myth, oh ma'am, we will be posted in the rural segments only. So please, I think I have cleared each and every doubt of yours in a very crisp, short and clear manner. If it comes to you about the salary and other things, the pay scale, that is also very well discussed here. So whatever myths there were in your mind, I think they will be clear with this particular class, with this particular session. If still you have any doubts, Pache, please do come up with your doubts, questions and queries. I would be more than happy solving your doubts. So I'll see you all. This is Amrit Kaur, thanking all of you, and stay connected to regulatory bodies and SO to ADA 24/7, and whatever questions are coming in your mind, do pour in your comments. Thank you guys. One more information I would like to add in here. Daily, my dear, at 8 a.m. session on your channel, the Hindu analysis is going on. So if we talk about the Hindu analysis, I am taking that analysis of this newspaper, the entire in-depth analysis. So do not forget to join the session daily from Monday to Saturday on YouTube. Thank you, and I'll see you all.